Looking for a new course in nursing and paramedical course. Admissions open at one of the most top colleges in the country. East-West Group of Institutions, Bangalore, recognized by Indian Nursing Council and Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science. Choose your courses on your screen. Hurry up, limited seats available. For more details, contact the link given below.
Office USP Bhoi District kalapin mi ya kejingpen bana Paidbah lem kidor jong kisau ngot kibriyo kibala Shah hakabaya debat ke muka dema ha Pynïap Police Station kepala register hau benai jelio jong snam arajar arpunrio hapo ki kendon shispalai Bhoi but lai in bracket san jong ka Bharatiya Nyay Sanhita BNS kibaya debat ki kendon pinchitom ya kibadon kti Pynïap brio. Kini kisau ngot kibala Shah Thwet ki kentop yau citro sangma, unipol sangma, utobias marak, watchegring moment kibadai na dahel bagan, Pynïap Bhoi District. Kat kum gajiya thu jong ki Pulit, ampan la ban tip ya ke jaka ba kini kibrio ki dan menta. Nakaliang ki bor Pulit ki la kerpat ya kinu ki badan jeng tip sapang gini kibrio, ni ki bala ban tip ya ke jaka ba ki dan, bakin pentip mardor sa ka police control room PCR nongpo, hau number phone, kendai prasan riu not, prasau san iwaisau, ban yarap ya ki Pulit ha ka jing toket pat ka jing kem ya kini kibrio.
Habatin, Paidbah ki kishap, Shah plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam duna ki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habatiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut ped ya ka Shah plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka ayan la ai kan diat bat ka batau bha kam kata ka dur jing ki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba medon ka Shah plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.